Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing the LeFan massage neck pillow and giving you a quick hands-on review. So guys, here's the box, and as you can see the seal has already been opened. I've actually received it like a month ago. I've been using it for the past few days. Initially I didn't have any intention to unbox it or to make a video, but this product is actually pretty good, so that's the reason I'm making this video. So this is how the neck pillow looks like, and as I've said, I've already unboxed it, so let me just show you what's inside. So the neck pillow comes in this plastic cover in a completely wrapped form, and you do get an instruction manual which is in Chinese. I had to literally use Google Translator to see what it's all about. Anyway, these are all the contents of the box. Besides that, you also get two batteries which I've already added to the massage pillow. Let me open it up. By the way, pretty nice packaging. So here's the neck pillow, and this is how it comes out right out of the box. It has this magnetic clips to shrink it, and removing it is pretty simple. You can just do that. And now this is how it looks once you open it up. So this is how it looks on the front. You just get one button on the left side to turn on the vibration motor, and once you turn on the vibration or the massage feature, it vibrates for 10 minutes, and you can have up to 3 sessions in a day. Like, that's a safe choice. So here's the magnetic clip. So all you need to do is put it on your neck and bring these two close, and they'll automatically snap. Pretty nice mechanism. By the way, magnet used in this clip is also pretty strong, and they can definitely hold your neck. Now you also get this small pouch kind of a thing over here. So if you want to wrap it up, maybe you are traveling, then you can remove it, close it up in this way, and bring it close. I'm not able to show it properly on camera, but you probably get the point. And there you go. Now it's all wrapped. Let's just go back. Now at the bottom it has this zipper, and here you can access the battery compartment. I've already inserted the batteries. So these are the two batteries that we get inside the box, and that's the arrangement, and there's nothing else to do. Just add your batteries, if possible rechargeable ones if you're planning to use it for a long time. So this is the battery compartment, and this is all we get, and you just close it, and then you put it on your neck and click this button over here to turn on the vibration. You need to click and hold it to start the vibration. I hope you can hear it. The vibration has already started, and to stop it you can long press again, and now it's stopped, or else the vibration goes on for 10 minutes. So guys, this is the LeFan massage neck pillow. I've ordered it from ShareSafe. This is an application from Xiaomi. Like, they have a lot of products in this application, and they directly ship from China and ship it directly to your home. You don't need to pick any customs or anything like that. So here's the original price, 1877 rupees, but if you buy this product along with someone else, you can buy it at 1738 rupees. So this is a pretty cool app. You should definitely give it a try. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do let us know by commenting below this video, or tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.